Good morning, all students. Today's today's lecture is problem solving in a topic TYBCom class in topic insurance claim account and insurance claim under topic for the method in loss of stock method in problem solving in this today's lecture in continue for the problem method loss of stock method. It is continue problem. Find out the amount of claim to be lodged with the insurance companies from the following information relating to Aryan Brothers Pune, and continues for the Aryan Brothers Pune in trading account in the summaries for the opening stock 2017, 2018, 2019 and date of file in 1st January 2020 in this 4 column, and opening stock, purchases, sales and wages transaction, and lastly transaction closing stock. And continue paragraph. During the year 2019, the closing stock included goods purchased but not recorded rupees 5,000. The salvage stock was valued at rupees 9,000. The amount of policies was rupees 34,000. There was an average clause in the policies. The firm closes in books on 31st December every year. In a problem under the accounting year for the which are the Aryan Brothers Pune, and financial accounting for the 1st January started and 31st December year ended in this financial year for the Aryan Brothers Pune. In problem under the transaction, this financial transaction for the trading account in firstly 2017, 2018 and 2019 and current year 2020. It is 4-year transaction for the year mentioned for the problem. And first transaction and first working note for the year during the year 2019, the closing stock included goods purchased but not recorded for rupees 5,000. 5,000 in this purchase transaction for the year, purchase transaction in this working note. Here purchases for 2019 amount 90,000, and in this purchase under the transaction and adjustment for the 5,000 purchases but not recorded in this year working note. Purchases 2019 year amount 19,000 and adjustment for the year. During the year 2019, the closing stock included goods purchased but not recorded rupees 5,000. In this addition amount for the purchases, in this 5,000 but not recorded here mentioned for the 5,000 in this year, addition 5,000, total purchases amount 95,000 year 2019. In this purchases, total purchases 95,000 in this year working notes. Continue for the problem under the trading account firstly, and next calculate for the gross profit rates, and next memorandum trading account. In this firstly, here mentioned in the books of Aryan Brothers Pune, trading account for the year ended 2017, 2018, 2019, debit side, credit side, particular 2017 rupee, 2018 rupee, 2019 rupees, debit side and credit side same, 2017 rupee, 2019 rupee, 2018 and 19 rupees. This is continued for the 3 columns for year wise in this Aryan Brothers, and continues all transaction is here mentioned. The opening stock, firstly opening stock only 2017 amount 15,000 here mentioned to opening stock. To opening stock only for 2017 year amount 15,000 one transaction here mentioned. Next 2018 dash 2019 dash and continue purchases 2017 amount 15,000 50,000, 2018 75,000 and 2019 90,000, and in this purchases transaction here working note here purchases 90,000 plus addition amount 5,000, total purchases 94,000. Continue here to purchases 2017 year amount 50,000, 50,000, second year 2018 amount 75,000, 75,000. Next 2019 amount here working note purchases 2019 amount 90,000 plus addition amount 5,000 in this adjustment, and total 2019 year purchases total 95,000 here 95,000. Next sales 2017 amount 60,000, 2018 amount 80,000, 2019 amount 1,30,000. Sales mentioned for the credit side. By sales 2017 rupees 60,000, 2018 rupees 18,000 and 2019 sales rupees 1,30,000, 1,30,000. Continue. Next wages here mentioned debit side two wages amount 2017 year 3,000, 2018 year 5,000 and 2019 rupees 6,000. Here continue year wise 3,000, 5,000 and 2019 in this wages here 6,000 and lastly closing stock. Closing stock in the 2017, 2018, 2019 here by closing stock. Closing stock this continuous amount 20,000, 40,000 and 50,000. 20,000, 40,000 and last 50,000, and here continuing this year closing stock, here closing stock 2017 closing in this 2018 are opening and 2018 closing 2019 these are opening. Here continue here transaction closing 2018 opening and here closing stock in this year 2019 opening stock. This continue this update, and firstly adjustment this is close and continuous for the year gross profit calculated for the year trading account in this are close for the year wise in this total 80,000, 1,20,000 and a last amount 1,80,000, 1,80,000 and continuous here calculated for gross profit rate. Here calculated for gross profit rate 1,20,000, 1,80,000 here to gross profit. To gross profit here calculated for the first 2017 year for gross profit calculation for the 12,000 gross profit. This year calculation 2018 1,20,000 minus 20,000 minus 57,000 minus 5,000 here calculated for the gross profit here 20,000, and same 2019 year for the calculated for the gross profit here 1,80,000 in this year, minus for the 40,000 minus 94,000 minus 6,000 here calculated for the gross profit here 39,000. In this trading account for the 3 year are closed 2017, 2019 and 2018 and 19, and in this year date of fire for the 1st January 2019 is in this for the period for the indemnity period in this up to date 1st January 2022 up to date in this indemnity period, and continues for the year. Next for the continuous year trading account are closed, and next calculation of gross profit rate, and formula gross profit divided by sales into 100, gross profit divided by sales into 100 is this formula for the gross profit calculated. In this year wise it is 3 years 2017, 2019, 2018, 2019 it is 3 years in this calculated for the gross profit 2017, 2018, 2019. In this firstly gross profit for the calculation for the 2017 year, in this year gross profit 12,000, sales 60,000 into 100, here calculation for the 12,000 divided by 60,000 sales, here formula 60,000 sales into 100, here calculation for the 2017 in this gross profit percentage for the every 20% for the 2017. Next year 2018 year for the calculation for gross profit rate. In this formula say gross profit divided by sales into 100. Here calculation for the gross profit 20,000 minus 20,000 divided by 80,000 sales into 100. Here calculation 20,000 divided by 80,000 into 100 is equal to percentage for the calculation 25%. And lastly year 2019 is the same formula, gross profit divided by sales into 100. Here gross profit 39,000 divided by sales 1,30,000 into 100. Here 39,000 divided by 1,30,000 into 100. Here calculation for the gross profit rate, here calculation 30% gross profit, 30% for the gross profit rate, and this 3 year for the gross profit rate calculation, and in this 3 year in this average, here average percentage of gross profit rate, in this 3 year average percentage, in this calculated for the 2017 year 20%, 2018 25% calculated gross profit, and lastly 2019 in this calculated for the 30% for gross profit in this average percentage of gross profit rate. Here calculated for the gross profit rate 20%, 25% plus 30% divided by 3 only average 75 for the gross profit rate calculated in 25%. 25% in this average gross profit rate, or lastly final calculated 25%, and continues for the Aryan Brothers Pune. For the in this problem under the indemnity period for the 1st January 2022 up to date, this memorandum trading account for the period 1st January 2020 to date of fire. In this continue for the indemnity period 1st January 2022 up to date of fire. In this mention for the debit side, credit side, particular rupees, and continues for the year lastly last year for the closing stock, in which are the year for the opening stock year. Opening stock 2020, in this year 50,000 to opening stock amount 50,000, amount 50,000. Next in this problem under the for purchases amount 2020 year, purchases for the rupees 60,000 here mentioned to purchases amount 60,000. Next problem, sales amount 84,000 here mentioned by sales amount 84,000, continue. Wages amount 4,000, wages mention for the debit side to wages amount 4,000, and continuous problem in this closing stock, it is calculated for the lastly closing stock by closing stock, in this lastly calculated. And problem under the all transaction this is mentioned for the problem under the salvage stock 9,000 in this next, and policy amount 34,000 in this next. It is continuous for the year calculated for the gross profit to gross profit in bracket 25% in the year calculated for the 25% on sales in 84,000 here, 25% on sales, current year sales 84,000 here calculated for the gross profit here calculated for the in this problem for gross profit calculated only 25% in this 84,000 calculated 25% in 21,000 in bracket balance in figure balance in figure no, in this 84,000 is the 25%, 21,000 gross profit, and here calculated for the memorandum trading account in this are close, total amount 50,000 plus 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 21,000, in this total amount 1,35,000, total amount 1,35,000 in this memorandum trading account, and calculated for the lastly by gross by closing stock. In this closing stock total amount 1,35,000 minus 84,000 is equal to 51,000 in bracket balance in figure. In this balance in figure here calculated for the date of fire for the closing stock as on date of fire for calculated 51,000, and in this are memorandum trading account, in this are close. And next continue for the next formula, ascertainment of value of stock destroyed by fire, in this formula for the stock as on date of fire minus salvage stock is equal to loss of stock. This continue for the salvage stock. For the problem under the salvage stock, the salvage stock was valued at rupees 9,000. These are salvage stock, and stock as on date of fire for calculated here 51,000 less salvage stock minus 9,000 in calculated amount for the loss of stock. It is calculated for the 42,000 in this loss of stock. This calculated amount loss of stock 42,000. And next formula, last formula, application of average clause is equal to value of insurance policies divided by value of stock on date of fire into loss of stock. Here insurance policies amount from under the continuous for the amount of policies was rupees 34,000 was average clause in this policies. Here policies amount 34,000 and value of stock on destroyed by fire, here calculated amount 51,000 and loss of stock amount calculated here 42,000 in this calculation for the year. In this policy amount 34,000 divided by value of stock on date of fire, here calculated 51,000 into loss of stock here 42,000. Here calculated for the amount 34,000 divided by 51,000 into 42,000. Here calculated for amount last claim amount 28,000. Here calculation 34,000 divided by 51,000 into 42,000 is equal to 28,000. Amount of claim for 28,000. Here amount of claim 28,000. 28,000 amount of claim 28,000 for Aryan Brothers Pune in claim amount lastly 28,000.